Today, I'd like to show you how to make Santa's naughty list. I know this is not much of a video or a project, but it is the beginning of something that I've got planned. One day, when I get around to it, I'd like to make a Santa doll, and this will be part of what he holds. The most important supply you'll need for this project is a roll of credit card paper. I also used a bamboo stick that I cut in 2 pieces and some glue. Start by decorating your paper. I simply wrote Santa's naughty list, but you can decorate it any way you like. And then start writing names. Instead of putting actual names, I just made it look like there was some writing on there. But you could put specifically Charlie or Isabella or whoever you like. I then cut the paper straight and glued it around the bamboo stick. Do this on the other side and then it's all done. Merry Christmas for this Christmas and all Christmases coming. I hope to not take too long in making my doll. Here are the supplies that I've already stashed. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, everyone.